Alright, what is going on YouTube? Tom here, and I know it's been a little bit since I've posted a video. More on that a little bit later. But, Saturday, finally got the day off, so, on our way to a car show. Guess who I have with us?
Hi!
I know, she's been awesome. She's been on the vlog too. So, we're on our way to Quaker Steak and Lube. It's a nice place we've all seen before. They're having a Christmas benefit car show. So, before we go over there, we are going to stop at Target and get a toy, because they're also doing a Toys for Tots benefit. I don't know, do we even have any idea what kind of toy we're going to get?
We'll wing it. Kids love toys, it don't matter.
Kids do love toys. I was thinking Hot Wheels of some kind, because I love Hot Wheels. Possibly a Transformer, because that was my other favorite toy as a kid. But oh well.
I was thinking of Barbie for a girl.
I don't know, or both. We can get one of each.
Yeah, why don't we do that? You get the boy and I'll get the girl. Spread the cheer.
Sounds like a plan. Looks like we finally got a plan. I'd love to get him a Mustang, but, you know, that's my toy. But oh well.
Oh, good Lord, honey.
Oh, car joke. Can't even?
I can't even.
Oh well. I guess without further ado, let's get the cold start clip, and we'll be on our way to Target. Okay, we actually recording this time. Yes. Still get on. Alright, we made it. This is what I ended up getting them. The track set, which I thought, you know what? I had one of these as a kid, and boy, did I get hours of enjoyment. In fact, I got years of enjoyment out of that. I actually probably still have it somewhere buried in my closet. I have no idea. And then we got
Curvaceous Barbie, because women come in all shapes and sizes, and I want my girls to be proud. And she's got a kitty.
And yeah, you and cats. Yes, I do put pictures of her cat up on Instagram once in a while.
He's my baby.
Yeah, you and the cat. One of these days I'll have him on the vlog. Yeah. He hates cameras. I'm gonna try to throw this back over here.
He might try to eat it.
That's true. Now one time he tried to nuzzle the camera, but that was a different story. But there. So, we are gonna be on our way to Quaker finally. After all of that. Yeah, would you say that Target was nuts or crazy, insane, all the above?
Yep.
I forgot the name of it, but there's a name for what today is, and for shopping day, if I find it, I'll put it up on screen. Basically, it's the last Saturday before Christmas, therefore everyone is getting the last minute Christmas shopping done, so...
Pretty much. It's insane.
It's insane in there. But... on our way to Quaker, so hopefully some kids will enjoy these. But we'll see you all when we get to Quaker. Alright, we made it. Car is now even dirtier because I didn't have time to wash it. We were gonna just pull it through a car wash just in case anyone wanted to come look at it. Yeah, hand me one of them. Hand me the small one, I guess. Yeah, we got the toys here. Boy, traffic sucks today. But yeah, I see a lot of cars out there. We're about to go find out where to drop these off and then call it. You can see some more Mustangs over here. This nice looking Durango tow rig. But yeah, there were a lot of cool cars looking. Fortunately, they have copyright music, so once we drop these off, we'll probably switch to cinematic shots. See you all in just a minute.
looks like it's gonna try to rain on us. It's actually a good thing I didn't wash the car then. It seems like usually I wash it. Sure enough, it always rains. But, I don't know, what'd you say your favorite car was today?
I don't know.
Don't know. Out of that very last car. That 44 or 39 Ford, I guess. I don't know all the differences between those. That's my knowledge truthfully starts about the 60s, but man, that thing looked good. Lots of awesome cars as always here. I don't know, I think I like this better. Just don't even bother putting my car in, right?
Yeah.
Lower.
Classic cars, you know that.
Or like the classics. I mean, not that I don't think my car ever could win a car show, but you know, I just don't have the time to get it shined up like these guys do. Oh, get into the car. Yeah, I kind of like that better though. The low stress, not worried about is my car clean enough or anything. Yeah, she ended up buying a little kitten, little stuffed kitten. We got hopefully y'all can see it back there. We got a pillow for her cat. I guess that'll be her cat's Christmas gift. Woman selling catnip pillows. Like, boy, he's gonna go crazy. We know he's gonna go absolutely nuts when he gets that pillow. But yeah, overall, still a good show. Hopefully, you know, we're leaving before the trophies are given, so hopefully.
Okay, we're buckled.
Yeah, got the cat buckled in too. The little kitten won't go anywhere. But yes, we're about to head home. Hopefully everybody gets their trophies who wanted them. I know I got one friend here who's like, he's really going for a trophy. Someday my car will be a award-winning show car. Not right now, just because how dirty it is, but the rain will hopefully clean some of it up. Anyway, let me know in the comment section below what car you all liked, because there were a lot of awesome cars to choose from. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you are stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe, because I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but like I said, more in that in another video. So that's been a while, but I want to try to get back into it. Now that I have weekends back to myself, definitely look for a lot more car shows. Anyway, take care, have a good day.